Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Very
ma'am.
good morning. Whether you were absent last 2 days, so please pay attention in the class and understand it
Okay, ma'am.
properly. So good morning to all of you. We'll start our class after 1 minute. Let me wait everyone to join. And I hope, yes, Trisha,
We need pen or pencil.
you need whatever you
Ma'am,
have
this
pen,
notebook we have to
pencil,
need.
crayons, you keep with you. If you have crayons also, keep with you. Yes, this notebook.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my is proper.
My dear children, it's not possible to check each and everyone's graph notebook. As I mentioned clearly, graph notebook means you have to bring the graph notebook in the class today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, you have learned what are the properties of multiplication in our last class, and you have learned how to multiply the numbers with row and column and get the product. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yesterday we have done how to multiply two numbers and get the product with row and column. Yes. Now the same row and column. Now the same row and Riva, please mute your mic. Please stop raising hand. Arya, close your button. Yes, thank you. Yes, close it. We are not playing here with this button. In case when teacher will tell you to, when teacher is asking some questions, that time you have to raise your hand. Devyosha, please mute your mic. Thank you. So today also we are going to learn how to multiply row and column with the graph. Yes. So you are going to make the row and columns in the graph notebook. I was not having the graph notebook, but I am having this maths checks notebook. These checks are same as the graph notebook. So we can use this also. We can use the graph notebook also. First I'm going to show you something. You have to see it carefully. See, when I say 6 multiplied by 2 means I'm talking about, is my screen visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Lamha?
Ma'am, do we have a graph book in our school?
You got in your set?
No, ma'am. I don't have the geometry set only. I brought from outside.
It's okay if you brought from outside. Okay. So, if I say 6 multiplied by 2 means I'm talking about 6 rows. I have noticed yesterday also many of you have sent me the work, but you have not taken the multiplication term properly. You have sometime taken the column first, and sometime like I can give some example like Ayan's work. I have noted 2-3 more students work. I have noted that they have taken column first and then row. You have to take row first and then column. Then it will be easy for you to do. Like here 6 multiplied by 2 means we are taking 6 rows and 2 columns. This way when you cover the graph paper, you have to count 6 blocks row wise and 2 block column wise. And when you cover and make this block, you will get 12 blocks inside. Means when you multiply 6 into 2, you will get 12. Same way, 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. 3 rows, 2 columns. 5 into 1, 5 rows, 1 column. 12 into 2, 12 rows, 2 column. 4 into 2, 4 rows, 2 column. This is the standard method. I'm telling 6 into 2 is 12. But if I say arrange the 12 number of seats or 12 number of boys or 12 number of girls into row and columns, in the how many ways you can arrange, you arrange them. Because if you know the table, right? If you know the multiplication tables, you can arrange the number into different ways. If 12 is coming in which table? If 12 is coming in the table of 2, 12 is coming in the table of 2, how many times, children? How many times 12 comes in the table of 2?
6.
6. So if I take 2 rows, 6 columns. If I take 2 rows, 6 columns, then also 12. Okay. 12 is coming in table of 3 also. How many times the 12 is coming in table of 3?
4.
So if I take 3 rows and 4 columns, then also 12. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
3 rows and 4 columns if I take, then also the answer will be 12.
Yes, ma'am.
If I move from table of 3 to table of 4, is the 12 is coming in table of 4?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How many times coming in table of 4? 4 threes are 12, right? Please write the answer in the chat box if you know the answer. I will on my chat box. Yes. So we can write 4 rows and 3 columns. This way also you can do. Okay. So keep on checking that the given number is coming in which table and arrange them into the row and column in different ways. Am I clear to all of you? And you know, when once you find out the different ways, these are the factors of that number which you are going to learn in grade 5. Multiples and factors, there is a separate chapter. Multiples of a given number means the table of that number, right? Means stop chatting now. Stop giving answers in the chat box. Chat box just closed. Now listen to me carefully. When you learn, see, multiples which you learn in grade 5, multiples are related with the multiplication, right? If I am talking about what are the multiples of 5, means I'm talking about the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 are the multiples of 5. Okay. उस given number की जो table में numbers है, the product of that table are the multiples of that number. If I take what are, Trisha, give me the answer. What are the first 2 multiples of 6? First 2 multiples of 6. This brief introduction I'm giving you because you are going to learn multiples and factors in grade 5. And that also related with the chapter number, this multiplication topic. Okay. So,
Ma'am, I know.
Twisha will tell me. Twisha, what are the first two multiples of 6? Your mic is mute. Twisha, unmute your mic. Who will give me the answer? Darya, you will give me the answer?
Ma'am,
Yes.
please, can I say?
Yes, first let Darya say, then I will answer.
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So
can
what
I
is
say?
6?
You tell the question
Rudra, please wait. Yes, Darya.
3 to the and 6 on
No. I am asking what are the first 2 multiples of 6?
Then was the confused.
6 ones are what?
6 on the 6.
So 6 and 12 are the multiples?
Yeah.
Yes, first 2 multiples. If I talk about first 5 multiples, तो आप 6 की table कितनी बार बोलोगे? How many times you will say the table of 6? 5 times.
5 times.
So first multiple of 6 is 6. First multiple of 6 is 6. Second is 12. Third is
18.
18. Fourth is
24.
24. And the fifth multiple of 6 is
30.
So I will not go in deep of this topic because this you are going to learn in grade 5 about the multiples, but giving you the brief introduction because multiples are related with multiplication, right? And factors are related with division. So factors, when you see that if I give you any number, if I tell you arrange 15 boys in a classroom in row and column, how many different ways you can arrange it? You all have a graph paper? You all have a graph paper? Take the graph paper, okay? Take graph paper in your hand. Take pencil or pen in your hand.
Ma'am, I graph book, not graph paper.
Whatever, my dear, graph notebook. Take this in your hand, okay? And now hold it. Now I told you have 15 boys in a class of 15 students in a class. Arrange them in the different way in row and column so that the product will be 15. For example, I start with, it is 15 is not coming in table of 2. So I will not take 2. 15 is coming in table of 3. So I take 3 rows. I take 3 rows and 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3 rows.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and 3 rows. And draw a square.
Ma'am, show me the paper.
This way, are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
See, I have taken 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 rows and 5 columns.
Ma'am, I have to pin you.
Yeah, you have to pin me definitely.
Ma'am, can you stop?
And you are able to see it.
Ma'am, we have to draw this in graph.
Yes, you have to draw this arrangement in the graph notebook.
And then on top we have to write 15 boys.
Yes? What you want to tell children? Yes,
Can you show it again?
Lama, wait.
Ma'am, see.
See, I am going to show you something. Please mute your mics, everyone.
I can't see you. I cannot.
Yes, I am going to show you something again, and then when you see it into it, you will able to see what are we going to do today.
We have to draw with pencil or pen.
Whatever you have. If you have pen, you have sketch pen, you have pencil, draw with that. Who is doing this? Man Rajodia, this is wrong. This is wrong.
Ma'am, and you have that box and the 15 students, we have to draw that.
Yes. You don't have to draw. You have to cover the square box. Can you all see my screen? Now pay attention here.
And can you see mine?
Now pay attention here on this.
Ma'am, I want to tell something, please.
Lakshya, please look at the screen first. I will come back to you. Please mute your mics, everyone. Okay. This is my multiplication sum. 3 multiplied by 4. I know the 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12. Now, I am going to arrange this circle into this arrangement. How I will do, how I will arrange this, you have to check. See, I take 3 rows and 4 columns.
Ma'am.
And wait a minute, Rudra. Three rows and 4 columns gives you 12. And what are the other possible ways of doing the same arrangement, means getting the total 12? How many different ways you can arrange it? You have to do it in your graph notebook this way.
You have to draw like this.
Ma'am,
Yes. Whether you draw,
Circle.
children, it's up to you. My basic concept to explain you that when you cover the arrangement, how many squares are being covered? Can you count inside how many squares are covered?
Yes, ma'am.
so like
Can
this.
you count what is? Yes, Prisha is doing right. Check Prisha's work. She is listening and doing her work neatly and correctly. Can you all pin Prisha as she is showing? Yes, Twisha has also done. Yes, Twisha. Now, Twisha, you can color this box. You can count the number of boxes. And now, can you please, Twisha, tell me how many total boxes you have covered? When you have taken 3 rows and 4 columns, how many total boxes cover?
Ma'am, can I say?
3 rows and 5 columns.
If I'm asking Vivaan to Twisha, why you have to say? Yes, Twisha.
Ma'am, there are 3 rows and 5 columns.
If you have taken 3 rows and 5 columns, how many total boxes are covered in this? How many boys you have, or how many children you have arranged inside this box?
15.
15. You got now, children? Ayush, have you understood now how to do the arrangement?
Like this.
Ma'am, but we have to write 15 boys or something on the top.
Yes, you have to write 15 boys, you have to write 15 chairs, you have to write anything. 15 buttons, 15. Yes, we have to do like this, but this is the example you are doing. As I told, this is the example of 12. Okay, 12 things you are arranging. If I give you to arrange 15 things, Darya, how many things you have arranged in this way? Can you please count?
12.
12. If I give you the example in 15 things, how you will arrange? Arrange it and tell me. 15. Yes, 15 objects if you have. Any objects 15 you have, how you will arrange? Everyone do in your graph notebook.
I'm done of the 12. Please check mine. I'm done with the 12 one. Please check mine.
You have done with the 12. Okay. Yes. You please do with the other. Lamha, this is the one way.
And can I also show you? Everyone is speaking. I can't get you.
Yes, that's the reason. Children, please mute your mics. Now listen to me carefully. This is the one way you have arranged, right? This is the one way you have arranged 3 or 5. 3 into 5 is 15. What are the other ways of arranging? What are the other ways of arranging 15? 15 और किस की टेबल में आता है? कैसे रो और कॉलम में अरेंज कर सकते हो? अब समझ आया? Now understood?
हाँ मैम.
Yes. अब और yes, Daria, this is the one way. What are the other ways?
Ma'am,
How can arrange it the other way? The 15. You have 15 students or 15 objects or 15 spoons, 15 number, okay?
Ma'am,
But how you will arrange in the different way?
in the table of 5, 3. Ma'am, see mine.
Yes.
5.
Arrange it in the different ways. This is the one way, my dear children. I'm going to tell you, this is the one way. Arrange it into the different ways.
Ma'am, see. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I do 2 ways. 2 ways, see.
Okay. Let me see, Lakshya. Lakshya, you have done how? See, let me. You are not. No, it's not visible, Lakshya, clearly. And Lakshya, you are doing it on the lining. You have to do on the graph page. Squares वाले पेज पे करना है आपको.
इसमें?
हाँ जी, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nishika.
Can we do like 15 ones and 15 so we can do
Yes.
the 15 ka thing?
Yes, you can take one row and 15 columns also. Or
Excuse me, ma'am.
15 rows and one column also. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I want to tell you that in my laptop there was not coming the voice. So I had now do with mobile. Can you tell what we had to do?
Samriddhi, we are arranging the objects in the row and column and with the different ways. Okay. If you know the tables, you will able to arrange it into the different way. For example, one I will tell you. Okay. One I will tell you, then you will do. Yes, yes, very good. And Daria, you please close that row and column also. Close it. Your row and column is open.
This. Ma'am, can you
Yes,
see?
I can spin Khevna and let me see Khevna is doing. Khevna, you are doing 1, 2, 3. 3 into 4 is 12. Okay. 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 into 7 is also 12. Yes. 2 into 7 is 14. Yes. Right, right. So, if okay,
Ma'am,
now
have a
I'm
look
going
at
to give you.
mine one. Ma'am, I.
Yes, yes, Daria.
Ma'am,
Yes.
And this one.
Listen to me carefully.
Ma'am, mine is right. Ma'am, I done 2 with the 15.
Children, you do one thing. You do one thing. Write in the chat box.
Let's see.
Yes. Now listen. Now listen to me again.
ma'am, can you
Mute your mics, everyone. It's disturbed me a lot.
Ma'am, see. I done. Ma'am, see. Ma'am, see.
Vivan, Lakshya, mute your mics first. Mute your mics first. Everyone, mute your mic first. Now listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. One example again I will show you. Understand it properly and without saying see to my work, please. Okay. I have, someone told me that there are 20 students in the class. Okay. Now, I went to the class, my teacher told me to arrange these 20 students in the row and column in how many ways you can arrange. Okay. If I know the multiplication table, I will be easily able to arrange them. First, I start with the table of 2 because 20 is coming in the table of 2 also. So I have taken in table of 2, 2 tens are 20. So I take 2 rows and 20 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20 columns I take. Oh, sorry. 2 and 10 columns. 2 rows because 20 is coming 10 times in table of 2. So I take 2 rows and 10 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when I close this box and when I count all the boxes inside this 2 rows and 20 columns, you will able to see that there are 20. There are 20 small boxes which are covered. Means I have given seat to each and every child. Okay. So 2 into 10 is also 2 rows, 10 column is also 20. Then I went to the table of 3, but in table of 3, 20 is not coming. In table of 4, 20 is coming. Yes. How many times the table? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So in table of 4, 4 5s are 20. So I take 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I take 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and I make a box and cover it, and means I have given a seat this way with the 4 rows and 5 columns. I have given a place to all the 20 students. When you count the small boxes inside this big box of 4 rows, 5 columns, you will able to see that there are all the 20 boxes covered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Means all the 20 students got the seat. Then again, my teacher told me this arrangement is also not good. Okay, you tell me more arrangements. So I see the table of 5. In table of 5 also 20 comes 4 times. 5 into 4 equals to 20. So I take 5 rows and 4 columns. How I take? 5 rows and 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. This way also I arrange. Then after table of 5, 20 is not coming in the table of 6. So I stop. My arrangement of giving the seats in different ways is done. Am I clear to all of you now how to arrange the given objects? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I am giving you the numbers. I am giving you the numbers. You have to arrange them in the different ways in rows and columns and give me the answers in the chat box. Not switching on your mic.
Ma'am, first see my answer, please.
Lakshya, wait a minute. I will see you also.
Ma'am, my page is finished. Can I use another?
Yeah, use next page if your page is finished. I'm giving you the numbers. You do the arrangement of 21 jugs. What are the different ways you can arrange the 21 jugs? 21 jugs. Arrange it into the different ways in the graph paper. And
I want to ask you one thing.
yeah, there I will come back. Let me write it. 21 jugs. Then I will give you 24 watches. Arrange them into the row and column in the different ways. Sorry, 24 watches, 21 jugs, and 18 bottles. Arrange them in the different way. 18 bottles.
No, ma'am. Now can I ask?
Ma'am, 21 jugs or 24 jugs?
It is written in the chat box. Please check.
No, ma'am. I want to say that first you filled, so I have done a 15. Okay.
My dear, it's okay. That is the practice we are doing.
Yeah, and then I did
And all the possible ways to create.
All the possible ways to get the 15. Yes, there.
I've done it.
Good. Let me see. There you have done, yes, 5 into 3, 15. Yes, 3 into 5 is 15. And show me down, 1 into 5 is 15. Good. And what are the other ways?
Ma'am, just one.
3 into 5 is, yes, 3 into 5 is also left. 5 into 3 you have done, but 3 into 5 is also there. 3 rows and 5 columns.
Yes, ma'am. 3 rows and 5 columns.
And 5 rows and 3 columns.
5
Yes.
rows and 3 columns.
Okay. And then 1 row and 15 columns. Yes. Good. Good. Good.
Yes. Now
Ma'am, can you see mine? I have done the watches one.
Okay. You have done the watches. How many? You have arranged?
24.
24. But all the possible ways. Not only one way. That not only 2 into 12 is 24. What are the other ways of writing this? 6 into 2 is also 20.
Ma'am, of all the 3, I have done one ways.
No, not only one. You have to write all the ways.
6 into 4. 6
Yes.
into 4.
6 into 4, 4 into 6, 6 into 2, 2 into 6. All the possible ways, and please arrange them.
Then the numbers are 15, 12 and 24, no?
Yes. 18 also there. 24, 18.
Hello, ma'am. I have done the job 1, 7, 3, 21.
Only one, not only one way. There I told all the ways. How that 21 is coming in which table? And how many times it is coming?
Ma'am, I can do like that. I know the table of 1. So I know the rule means it is if we multiply any number with 1 is equal to the same. So if
Yes.
I do 21 multiplied by 1, so I can get 21.
If you take one row and 7 columns, then also you can arrange it. If you take 7 columns and one row, then also you will able to arrange it.
I'm saying that if I take,
Renu ma'am, see.
if I take
Lama, wait.
21 ones, then I can get this answer 21 ones.
Yes. Yes, 1 multiplied by 21 equals to 21. So if you take one row and you can take 21 columns, then also you will get the same answer. So all the different ways you have to arrange the objects. And you know that I will tell you one thing more also. If you want to play one game, dice game with your friends, right? Okay. Now listen, see to it. I'm going to show you one dice game which you can do with this.
Ma'am, which game? Dice game?
It's a dice game. You
Please
can play
first
with your friends. I'm going to show you one dice game which you can see, which we were doing that 6. What are the different ways of writing the 6 and arranging them in the row and column? 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 2. This is the way we are doing, right? Now I'm going to show you the dice. My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. Now, see, there are two friends. They are playing one game with the dice. Okay. They rolled 2 dice together. They got in one dice 3 and another dice 1. So, here, now see what they are doing. They're taking one row and 3 columns. So, 1 into 3 is 3. Here again, the next partner, he got also the 1 into 3. Then one has arranged in the sleeping way, the another partner has arranged in the standing way. It's his choice. Okay, because first one has taken 1 row, 3 column. The second one has taken
like
3
this.
rows and 1 column.
Ma'am,
Just see how they are playing. Now they got again, he got 1 row and 4 columns. He is doing, he is doing 4 rows and 1 column. Then next he got 4 into 5. So the next one is taking 4 rows and 5 columns. And see, they are coloring with their own colors. First one has choose the green color and the second one has choose the pink color. So that once the game will end up, they will see who has covered the more area. When you go in grade 5, you will learn about the area also in graph paper, how to cover the areas. किसका ज़्यादा area cover हुआ? देखो. This way, they have played this game. If they got 10, so they have taken 2 rows, 5 columns, और अपने उसने green color कर दिया. Isn't this excited game?
Yeah,
You can play with your friends.
very nice.
Okay. Now,
Yeah,
again, Vivan, wait a minute.
Ma'am, bored at home, we can play this game.
Yeah. So you can play this game. Take 2 dice, roll it, and take 1 digit as a row and the next digit as a column. So 1 row, 3 columns, right? 1 into 3 is 3. And they are multiplying the numbers. If you got 2 and 7, If you got 1 is 2 and the next is 7. So what will be the answer? In one dice you got the number 2 and the second dice you got the number 7 will not come. Sorry. 7 will not come.
14.
7 will not come. It is greater number in the dice is 6 only.
Yes.
Yes. So the one is.
Say what out can I ask, please?
Rivan, just a minute. If in one dice you got 2, in the other dice you got the 5. So what will be the product of this?
10. Sorry, what did you
10.
get? 5 into 10.
So what are the possible ways of covering it into the row and column?
5.
Who will tell me?
Ma'am, we can do.
Yes,
5
Preeta,
rows
tell
are-
me.
Ma'am, my answer is we can do 5 rows and 2 columns.
And
2
Trisha,
rows
can
and
you
5
tell me the
columns.
one more way?
What?
She told, Prisha told 5 rows, 2 columns. Can you tell me another way of arranging this?
2 rows and 5 columns.
Yes. Vihan, can you tell me the other way of arranging this?
Ma'am, what? 10 number?
Yes.
Ma'am, 1 row, 10 columns.
Very good. Dharya is not on his place. Yes, we